Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. Now you can change your payment method while making any purchase from within the game, or you will need to do this by using the Google Play Store app. If you have already opened up the game, then simply proceed with buying any of your desired diamond pack by tapping on the plus icon at the top right corner alongside diamonds. Now simply tap on any pack that you are interested in and you will be shown your current account or payment method that you already have added onto your Google Play. If you don't wish to use that account, you will find another add option underneath your current payment method. So you can simply tap on this add option and then proceed with adding your secondary payment method. This will require you to enter your card number followed by your expiration date, the security code or CVV number, and the cardholder's name. You will also need to enter your entire address, followed by your country and the postal code. After entering all of these details, simply tap on the Save button and this will save your new payment information. And now you have two different payment methods within your account, and you can choose whichever account you wish to use anytime you make a payment within your Mobile Legends game. And there you have it. That is how you can change your payment method on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.